All right, this is another round of the 10-minute warm-up, or the approximately 10-minute warm-up. And this will go into the hips and hamstrings quite a bit. So to start, just bring yourself to a seat. And then what I want you to do here is basically just keep your left foot on the floor, sit up tall, and with both arms, wrap your right thigh and squeeze in toward the side of your ribs. So pull in tight and make sure you got as full of contact here as you can hold. And just keep your spine upright. Now as you hold this, point to the toes of the right foot. And just go back and forth, straighten the leg as best you can. Doesn't have to go all the way. And then bring the foot down, keep the thigh pulled in. Bring it up for 2. And then bend the knee. Bring the foot up for 3. And then bring the foot down. Bring it up for 4. And then bend the knee. Bring it up one more time. And then go ahead, come back down and switch this out. Right foot to the floor. And then both arms around your left leg. Squeeze in and pull that leg into the side of your ribs. Keep the contact. Now, as you're pulling it, point through the toes of the left foot. Straighten the leg as best you can. And bring the foot down. Lift up for 2. And come back down. Bring it up for 3. Come back down. Keep squeezing the leg. Bring it up for 4. And then bring it back down. Lift up for 5. And then bring it back down. And then just go ahead, bring your hands behind, shake your legs out a little bit. And just go ahead, twist a little bit. Fold your knees right and left. And then from here, let's take this right into reverse tabletop. Now, feet in front of you, hips width distance, hands behind the shoulders, shoulder width. Palms down, fingertips forward. If you can always back off and just point the fingers to the sides. Either way, push down, lift your seat up off the floor. Let's go up and down. Press your hips up high, squeeze your glutes for 1, hold. And then sink back down, go slow. Press this up for 2. And then sink back down. Lift up for 3, squeeze your glutes. Sink back down, press up again for 4, and then sink back down. Lift this up for 5, sink back down, lift up for 6, and then come back down. Press up for 7, sink back down, lift up for 8, and then come back down. Lift up for 9. And then sink back down. Now lift up for 10, hold this time. Keep your glutes squeezing, push your chest up as well. You can look forward, look up, or hang your head back. Take an inhale. And with the exhale, come down. Once you're down, shake your hands out for a moment. And this time we're going to move the legs a little bit differently and take this into the hips. Now just keep your feet hips width distance. Hands behind the shoulders, about shoulder width. And this time point the fingers to the sides, right and left. Now just lift your seat up off the floor. And you don't have to bring the hips up too high. And we'll go one leg at a time. Stay lifted from your shoulders. So bring the left knee in toward your chest. And then straighten your left leg as much as you can. Reach for the toes. Now keep the leg straight. Bring the foot out to the side and down to the floor. Come back up the vertical. And set the foot down. Right leg, bring the knee to your chest. Extend the right leg straight. Now bring that leg out to the side. Bring the foot to the floor. Back up the vertical. And set the foot. Pull the left knee in. Extend straight up. Left leg to the side. Touch your foot down. Back up the vertical. And bring the foot to the floor. Stay lifted through the shoulders. Right knee in. Extend the leg up. Right foot to the side. Touch the foot down. Come back up. And set the foot on the floor. Pull the left knee in. Extend straight up. Out to the side. Touch the foot down. Back up the vertical. Foot to the floor. Pull the right knee in. Extend up high. Right leg to the side. Bring the foot all the way down. Come back up and bring the foot to the floor. Left knee in. Extend up high. Left leg to the side. Touch your foot down. Come back up to vertical and set the foot. Pull the right knee in. Extend this up high. Right foot to the floor, out to the side. Come back up the vertical and set the foot down. One more round. Pull your left knee in. Extend straight up. Out to the side. Bring the foot down to the floor. Back up the vertical and set it down. Right knee in and then extend straight up. Out to the side. Bring the foot all the way down. Back up the vertical and bring the foot to the floor. Set yourself down. Shake your hands out for just a moment. And then go across the ankles. Come forward your hands. And just keep your hips stacked over your knees. Bring the hands in, about 1 or 2 hands lengths forward of the knees, relatively close. Now palms down, rotate your fingertips in toward you, grip the floor. Just move around here for a moment. Circle your shoulders over your wrists as you're gripping. And let that stretch move through the wrists and up into the forearms. And then just come into center. Now keep gripping, keep your spine lifted, spread the shoulder blades apart. Bring the knees together, and then moving the legs. Left leg out to the side, touch the heel to the floor. Bring the knee down. Right leg to the side, touch your heel down. And then back to both knees. Left foot out to the side again, touch down. And bring it to center. Right leg out to the side. And then both knees down. One more time, extend the left leg to the side. And back to both knees. One more time with the right leg to the side. And bring the knee down. And then come up onto the fingers. Down to your heels. Take a moment. Just shake your hands out a little bit. And then come back into all fours. And we're going to go back and forth through a little bit of twisting here. So wrists underneath the shoulders and knees underneath the hips to set this up. Tuck the toes of both feet. Hover your knees and pull your belly in. Now as you hold this, just go slow here to start. Bring the right knee forward. Try to touch your left elbow. And then step back. Left knee to right elbow. And step this back. Right knee left again. Step it back. Left knee right. And step back. Right knee left again. Step this back. Left knee right. And step back. Now this time, right knee to left elbow, stay here. Drop your left heel, lift the left hand. And then come back to center, back to all fours. Left knee to right elbow, hold. Drop the right heel, lift your right hand. And then bring it back to center. And then just keep on going back and forth, twisting side to side. Now take it at your own pace. You can go slow. And if you want to speed it up, you can go back and forth, say you're hopping, and there's only ever one foot on the floor. And just work as best you can. It doesn't take much to warm things up doing this. Now give it just another round or two. And try to finish twisting open to the right side before you come back to center one last time. And then set your knees down. And just move around and breathe. All right, now from here, let's take this down to a lopsided setup. So just stay in all fours here to start, but come down onto your right forearm. Right elbow to the side, move your right hand to the center, so that forearm's diagonal. Slide your left hand back, stack the elbow above the wrist, and keep the elbow pulled in. Bring your knees together, keep your chest facing down, and then just extend your left leg straight back. Now reach with the left big toe, try to tense up the thigh and lock the knee. Hold the leg as straight as you can, and try to keep that left leg parallel to the floor. Left elbow stays pulled in. Now bring your left foot out to the side as far as you can. Try to keep the leg at the same level, and then extend it straight back. Left leg out to the side again, and extend this back. Left leg out to the side, extend the leg back, keep it straight. Left leg out to the side again, and extend it back. Now left leg to the side one more time. Hold this here. Go further. Pulse the foot up higher on my count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your left knee and bring the left inner thigh onto your left arm. Push down. Keep your chest facing down. And if you want to take it further, go ahead, tuck the toes of the right foot, lift the right knee, and just keep your chest facing the floor. All right, release this. Bring both knees down. Come up to all fours. I know you're probably working muscles that you're not normally using, so just work it as best you can. It's normal for things to cramp a little bit. When you're ready, come down on the other side, left forearm to the floor. Now elbow to the side, bring your left hand into center. That forearm's diagonal. Slide your right hand back, keep the elbow above the wrist and keep it pulled in. Knees together here to start. And then extend your right leg back, reach for the big toe. Keep the leg as straight as you can, and try to keep it at this level. Now right leg straight out to the side, reach for the big toe. Extend the leg back again. Right leg out to the side, keep it straight. And extend the leg back. Right leg out to the side again. Extend the leg back, not too fast. Right leg out to the side. And extend the leg back. Right leg to the side one more time. Now hold this here, keep that foot lifted. Pulse it up higher. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the right knee, push the right leg down into your arm, onto the right arm, I should say, and keep your chest facing down. If you want to go further, tuck the toes of your left foot, lift your left knee. And then bring your left knee down and right knee down as well. Come up to all fours. Move around here, stay loose. And then one last thing to really get your blood moving here is from all fours. Wrists under the shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Step the right foot forward outside the right hand, and then tuck the toes of your left foot and lift your left knee. Now, keep your arms vertical, shoulders stay over your wrist, press into your palms. Step your right foot back. This will put you into plank. And then bring your left foot forward outside your left hand. Now, step the left foot back, plank again. Right foot forward outside the right hand. Now, if you just want to walk back and forth, that's good enough. Try to keep your shoulders, wrists, and keep your arms straight. Otherwise, start moving your hips up and down. And we're going to hop this back and forth, and we'll do this on 3. Now, the key is to bring your hips up nice and high, and that gives you the time and the space to move your feet. So, press into your palms, keep your arms straight. Hips straight up and down. And from here, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do 9 more rounds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Third round. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Press into your palms, land light. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Fifth round. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Round 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 9. Just 2 more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Last round. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, and 3. Go ahead, bring your knees down. Come into all fours. Take a couple breaths. All right, and that is the 10-minute warm-up for this round. Thank you very much.